let it rest. Is that okay right there?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Slowly drop that down. How's that feel?
Okay.
Not too bad. You want me to actually push her now?
It's up to you. If it's still a mess, go over it.
Breathe in. A little bit, not bad though.
Yeah, I mean, Reef really.
Hold on. I'm gonna feel. I just want to feel. Sorry. How's that?
No, go for it. That doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Nothing in my back hurts. That's what I don't understand. Oh, that's a little better.
Your sacrum's still a little locked, so I'll just do light if you're okay with that.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. But I'm going to work your hip flexor